To state for a two-proportion confidence interval, we'll follow the basic form here. We are blank percent confident that the difference between the percent of blank and blank, that or who, depending on if we're talking about something or someone, blank, is between blank and blank percent. Now that's a lot of blanks, so let's go ahead and do an example. We're going to go ahead and pull the one that we looked at before. That is, we were talking about non-Hispanic white officers. That was our first sample, and then our second was Hispanic officers. And we had found that for a confidence interval, it went from 0.1262, and that was negative, to 0.1862, and that was positive. Let's go ahead and take this information and put it back into our statement. To begin, we need to remember that we did a 95% confidence interval. So we are 95% confident that the difference between the percentage of our first blank is always going to be our first sample, and our first sample was non-Hispanic white officers. So that the difference between the percent of non-Hispanic white officers and second sample was Hispanic officers who, and the topic we were talking about is have struggled or used force with the subject in the last month is between, and I'm going to put my lower number first, and I'm going to keep that negative 12.62% and 18.62%. So our statement says we are 95% confident that the difference between the percentage of non-Hispanic white officers and Hispanic officers who have struggled or used force with the subject in the last month is between negative 12% and 18%. Now, well, it's good to be able to state this. The really important thing that I want everyone to realize is that this interval is basically garbage. The fact that I go from a negative number to a positive number means I'm not sure if white officers are more likely to struggle or use force with the subject or if Hispanic officers are. And because I'm not sure which one's higher, Hispanic or non-Hispanic officers, really all this tells me is that I'm not sure there is a difference. For all I know, maybe there's not. Because this is an important concept, the idea that not only can we state our answer in exactly this form, but that we can interpret it and draw conclusions like, not sure if there is a difference or not. I want you to go ahead and make sure that when you state your confidence intervals on your homework, you also include a statement like this. That is, if it spans 0, if it goes negative to positive, tell me you're not sure there even is a difference.